Homogeneous means same or alike. In mathematics, a function f of x, y is said to be homogeneous if f of lambda x, lambda y is equal to lambda to the power alpha f of xy. Alpha is a real number and is known as the degree of homogeneity. In other words, if all the variables are multiplied by the same number, the function will remain valid. Now consider this system of simultaneous equations. This is the matrix form. The equation system will be valid if the vector of constants on right hand side is 0. This is referred to as a homogeneous equation system since it is a system of n homogeneous equations. On simplifying, we have y is equal to I minus b inverse into 0. Note that the inverse may not be equal to 0. There may be two cases. Consider the two equations. This is the matrix form. If we denote the vector of variables by y, matrix of coefficient by b, and vector of constants by d, then y is equal to b inverse d. B inverse will be equal to adjoint of b by the determinant of b. Recall that adjoint is found by finding the cofactors and then transposing rows and columns. In our example, determinant b is equal to 2, which is not equal to 0. Using the formula of inverse of a matrix, we get b inverse. Therefore, vector y is equal to b inverse multiplied by the vector of constants, that is d. That gives us two values, that is equal to 0. Now consider the equations. This is the matrix form. In this case, if you calculate the determinant of the coefficient matrix, it is equal to 0. Since the determinant is 0, by definition of singularity of a matrix, the rows in the coefficient matrix are linearly dependent. You can see that the second row is 2 times the first row and hence is dependent. And therefore, one of the equations may be considered to be redundant. Ignoring the second equation gives y2 is equal to minus 2 times y1 and y1 is equal to minus y2 by 2. Clearly, it can be seen that there will be infinite solutions of y1 and y2.